The whistle sings in the frosty night. Snow is shining in the pale moonlight. Families gather, their hearts aglow on the Christmas train through the snow. Every mile a song to sing, every bell of joy it brings. Christmas train through the snow, rolling fast and slow through the Rockies where the pine trees grow. Every town a light that shines below. All aboard the Christmas train through the snow. Candles flicker in the windows near. Voices carol, the sound is clear. Mountains echo as the engines go on the Christmas train through the snow. Every mile a song to sing, every bell a joy it brings. Christmas train through the snow, rolling fast and slow through the Rockies where the pine trees grow. Every town a light that shines below. All aboard the Christmas train through the snow. The whistle sings, the wheels roll on,
Carry us home till the break of dawn.
hearts are steady, love will grow on the Christmas train through the snow.
Silver tracks through a mountain stream.
Windows glowing with every dream. Children laughing, their eyes so bright on the Christmas train tonight. Christmas train through the snow, rolling fast and slow through the Rockies where the pine trees grow. Every town a light that shines below. All aboard the Christmas train through the snow. Christmas train through the snow, rolling fast and slow through the Rockies where the pine trees grow. Every mile love song will always show. All aboard the Christmas train through the snow. On the Christmas train.